In a world overflowing with constant demands from work emails, social media notifications, and endless to-do lists, many of us millennials aged 25 to 40 find ourselves trapped in a relentless cycle of procrastination, desperately struggling to harness our wandering focus and cultivate the self-discipline needed to thrive as busy professionals, students, or creators. This struggle goes far beyond mere laziness. It's a profound internal battle against the untamed impulses of our modern minds, a daily challenge to redirect our scattered energy towards the goals and projects that truly matter in our ambitious yet distracted lives. Meet Ryan, a typical millennial like so many of us navigating the complexities of contemporary life with its barrage of digital interruptions and high-stakes responsibilities. His personal journey vividly reflects the universal fight to break free from these mental barriers and reclaim control. Ryan often sat at his desk with the best intentions to tackle his studies or work projects, yet he found himself irresistibly drawn away by the magnetic allure of his smartphone, losing countless precious hours to mindless scrolling through feeds, videos, and updates that promised quick dopamine hits. The relentless ticking of the clock on his desk served as a cruel, unyielding reminder of time slipping irreversibly away, with each passing second representing another missed opportunity for meaningful progress in his goals. He would attempt to dive into his studies, surrounded by towering stacks of textbooks and notes, but his mind, restless like a wild horse bucking against the reins, would gallop off in every direction except the focused path he desperately needed to follow. As crucial exams loomed closer on the horizon, the mounting pressure transformed his once comfortable study space into a high-stakes crucible of anxiety, where every distraction amplified the fear of falling short. Despite his sporadic efforts and good intentions, the exam results stood as a harsh, unfiltered reflection of his chronically fragmented focus and inability to sustain attention amid distractions. The heavy weight of that failure settled deeply upon Ryan's shoulders, plunging him into a moment of profound emotional low, where disappointment and self-doubt threatened to overshadow his ambitions. In search of solace, clarity, and a moment of peace away from his chaotic routine, Ryan wandered to the serene riverbank, sitting quietly as he watched the vibrant sunset paint the expansive sky in hues of orange and pink. It was there, enveloped in the tranquil beauty of nature's quiet rhythm, that Ryan began to deeply reflect on his ongoing struggles with procrastination, gradually realizing the urgent need for a transformative new approach to managing his mind. He came to understand that his restless mind, much like a powerful wild horse full of untamed energy, required patient training and guidance rather than forceful suppression or punishment. This pivotal realization ignited a fresh idea in Ryan's mind, the powerful metaphor of archery, where achieving precision and unwavering focus demands complete mental alignment and steady breath control. At first, Ryan's arrows of intention, representing his daily goals and tasks, frequently missed their intended marks, veering wildly off course due to the internal noise of worries and the external pull of constant distractions like buzzing notifications. However, through deliberate and consistent practice, he learned to quiet the wild horse of his overactive mind, methodically drawing back the bowstring with a profound sense of unwavering concentration and inner calm. Each deliberate breath he took, each precious moment of cultivated stillness, served as a vital step towards developing the laser-like focus essential for hitting his targets consistently. Ryan started implementing a straightforward yet profoundly powerful new routine, beginning with the simple act of physically placing his smartphone in another room entirely during his dedicated study or work hours to eliminate temptation. This seemingly small change established a clear boundary, transforming his workspace into a sacred haven for uninterrupted deep work, completely free from the relentless digital interruptions that had previously derailed him. He diligently practiced mindfulness techniques, gently but firmly bringing his wandering attention back to the task at hand whenever his mind strayed, much like a skilled rider guiding a spirited wild horse back onto its intended path. The path to true discipline proved challenging and far from effortless, but Ryan's persistent, daily efforts gradually began to bear tangible fruit in the form of improved productivity and sustained focus. When the next set of exams finally arrived, Ryan approached the testing room equipped with a newfound sense of calm assurance and unshakable confidence born from his disciplined preparation. All that focused, intentional preparation translated seamlessly into his clear, concise, and well-structured answers during the exam, flowing effortlessly from his sharpened mind. The moment of truth returned once more with the posting of results, building a palpable tension as Ryan prepared to confront the outcome of his transformed habits. This time, the results board revealed a solid passing grade for Ryan, standing as irrefutable testament to his unwavering commitment, the transformative power of self-discipline, and the rewards of taming distractions. Ryan's inspiring journey serves as a powerful reminder for all of us that conquering procrastination and distraction doesn't demand instant perfection, but rather consistent, intentional effort applied day after day. It's fundamentally about taming the wild horse of our own minds through patient practice, launching one focused arrow at a time directly towards the meaningful targets and aspirations we set for our lives. So embrace the discipline required, actively cultivate your focus with purpose, and unlock the full extent of your true potential as ambitious millennials ready to thrive.